Welcome back to our video series for the complete guide to Next.js and Prepr. This video is part 6, the final part in the series. In the last two videos, I showed you how to implement A/B testing and personalization. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Prepr Toolbar so that we can easily test these features. Before diving in, just a reminder that you can get all the code snippets and the link to the GitHub repo in Prepr Docs. You may remember that we've already installed the Prepr Next.js package in a previous video. The Prepr Toolbar is in fact part of this package, so all we need to do is add some setup to the front end to enable it. First, add an environment variable to indicate preview mode. Typically, you don't enable the toolbar for production live websites. We're still testing, so this value is set to preview. This also means that we should make sure we use a preview access token value. So copy the preview access token value from Prepr and paste it to the value that we initially had, which was set to the production value. Doing this means that your content editors can preview content items in any workflow stage, whether it's in progress or to do, not only published content items. Because the preview toolbar includes a feature to click a section in the page to edit the corresponding content item in Prepr, we need to update the access token to enable this feature. So click the Enable Edit Mode option and save your access token. To make the Prepr toolbar visible in any page of your website, you first need to import the properties and the component. Then simply create variables for the properties. This is a very basic implementation of the toolbar. For other options, for example, if you're working in a multilingual environment, check out the GitHub repo, which has a comprehensive README on different options on how to render the toolbar. Finally, include the toolbar component in the body of the page and make sure that your website content is nested in the component. And that's it. Let's test the Prepr toolbar. Firstly, restart the server and go to the local host so you can see your website. Remember that we have personalized content on the homepage and A/B test on the electric leads landing page. So to test, let's choose the segment electric car buyers to see different content on the homepage. So let's then go to the electric leads landing page to test the A/B test variant switch. You'll notice that this is the content for the A switch. Switch to B to see different content. Finally, enable edit mode. Now you can click a section on the page to edit it directly in Prepr. Great, the Prepr toolbar works. Now you have a preview version of the website available for content editors to easily preview and edit content as they need to. Congratulations on completing the Next.js Complete Guide. Hope to see you in future tutorial videos. Another reminder that you can find all the code snippets and relevant links in the docs site. Thanks for watching.